Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to tell you why nobody is buying graphics card anymore. So several factors have contributed to the decline in graphics card sales. The first one may be because the high prices, because the recent surge in graphic card prices driven by factors like cryptocurrency mining and supply chain shortages has made them less affordable for many consumers, and the lack of compelling upgrades. The performance improvements over by newer generation of graphics card have not always been significant enough to justify the high cost of upgrading. And the third one, it might be because the rising cost of living. With increased inflation and economic uncertainty, consumers may be prioritizing essential expenses over discretionary purchases like gaming hardware like this one, the graphic cards, and the fourth one may be because their shift towards the cloud gaming. The rise of cloud gaming services like GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming allow users to stream games without needing high-end hardware, reducing the demand for powerful graphic cards. And the last one might be because the inventory overstock. So the manufacturers and retailers may have overestimated demand and are now struggling to sell excess inventory, leading to the price cuts and reduced demand. So it's important to note that while the overall market for graphic cards has slowed down, there is still demand for high-end cards among enthusiasts and gamers who prioritize the latest technology and performance. However, the mass market for mid-range and budget graphics card has seen a significant decline. So I hope that this simple explanation will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.